Hey, what's up, you guys? So we did not get rained out yesterday. We were able to pick until our hearts were content. Danny has the International running there because he has a load of wet corn on it that he's gonna get unloaded this morning. And we are headed to grab the bush hog. So I was just looking at my phone and it seems to be that the percentage of rain has dwindled down pretty good. So that's a good thing. So as I was greasing up the bush hog, I noticed this. Yes, the ants are building a bed around the tire again. You guys said the beavers caused that, right? They done teamed up with the beavers? Oh my goodness, that's all right. We getting out of here. They won't have time to build up a huge bed around it and get into the tractor this time. And we're on our way. So Dan just texted me and asked me if I can mow the other end of seashell field here. So when we get to the driveway, we're gonna bush hog that before we head to the cornfield. Okay, let's work on it right quick. There's supposed to be soybeans in this little narrow section right here, but I guess they got overtaken by the weeds. So I'm just gonna mow them down too. Okay, I can see them a little better right here. I'm gonna back up. Maybe if I leave them, whenever it gets cold, those weeds might die down and he can still pick them. But I mean, it's, it's pretty grown up. I can see my sprayer pass there from when I sprayed. I guess it's been over a month now. That would make spraying the soybeans easy. There's another pass there. Alrighty then, that's gonna do it here. It's real lumpy out there. Make you have to scalp a lot of it to clean it up real good. But anyway, we got it. All right, got a load of grass there. Turf Mart. Who is Turf Mart? Turf Mart. Huh, interesting. All right, there's my neighbor, Mr. Leo, getting him a yard mow first thing this morning. He seen me recording him. He had a grin on his face. Riding past this cotton field, I can see the white of the cotton under the leaves already. So the cotton is progressing along. This is the same farmer who has a farm of cotton beside our peanuts. So we got moved to this farm yesterday. I gotta get these ends mowed and tidy up around the parking place some, so the trucks can get turned around as always. The most of the harvesting he'll be doing today, they'll be able to park the trucks right on the road there and he can unload from the field. So won't need the grain cart much. Yeah, our parking area is grown up. Some long inroads here. Sadly, the corn looks rather short out there. Man, it's short. So Dan just scooped me up. I'm gonna carry the grain cart over there to the cornfield. I still got a lot of mowing to get done. Okay, so I'm stopping again, you guys. Gotta go get JD loaded. I guess I'll get back to the mowing at some point. Got Jack up the hill there. JD's getting loaded. I got to finish him off. All right, so we out here getting them loaded. And we got them loaded. All right, let's get Jack loaded now. Alright, I'm gonna head back to the cornfield now, you guys. Well, changing plans again, you guys. Danny just called me and said that Carnell is coming now, so I gotta get him loaded as well before heading back to the field. And so Carnell has arrived. I had to go up the hill and get me some watermelon because my chicken salad is still in the tractor at the cornfield. I was getting a little hungry, you guys. Turn on the underfloor auger. There it is. All right, you guys, that'll about do it. I'm gonna head on over to the controls. All right, now I can head on to the field and get my chicken salad, you guys. Okay, so I just got off the phone with Dan, and I guess I'm just coming to get my chicken salad for now because he needs me to run to where they're harvesting centipede grass and get some of that mowed for them. So I'm gonna grab my chicken salad and we are going to head to the centipede mower. Looks like he bush hogged the spot here where we park at anyway. All right, got that. These some dirty windows in this truck, huh? All right, you got to pull from up under that tree so he can get to you. All right. We'll see ya. So I'm not gonna grease it up because I'm not gonna be mowing long, but I am gonna check the air pressure in all of the tires to make sure that it mows evenly. So they're harvesting grass across the road from the shop here, but Dan wants me to mow in a different field, I guess where they're gonna be using the self mower. Definitely a lot of seed heads are showing themselves out here, making the grass look so dark. But anyway, this is where we gotta get a spot mowed out for them. so Dan just texted me and said to make one more round, and then I need to go and fill Carnell up. So yeah, we're busy bees today. And that's gonna do it. All right, let's get a little noise going. So he's getting turned around because the wind was blowing all of the husk towards the cab. The cab will be this way and it won't blow towards the cab. That's why Jack and JD was facing that way earlier. Here we go, that's like earlier. All right, you guys, I'm gonna head on over. All right, Carnell. So I'm back at the field and I'm going to grab the bush hog and I'm going to head to the shop and take lunch. And maybe after lunch, I don't know, the way things have been changing today, I might get back. Oh, wait a minute, wait, oh man, yeah. I need to relax my brain. I gotta finish mowing the ends down here first before we leave. And then I'll head to the shop and take lunch. And then maybe after lunch, I might get back to bush hogging peanut ends. I don't know. We will have to see how things go, you guys. What's up, Cattle Gret? Oh, they'll fly beside a tractor, but don't let no human being be outside. See what I'm saying? They'll get beside this loud tractor, but me walking out there all quiet, they'll run, they'll fly away. 15 minutes of mowing stalks, and all of this piled up. At least it comes off easy. That'll do. As I figured, no lunch for me yet, you guys. Got Carnell who is pulling up, so I'm gonna get him loaded. And then definitely, you guys, I'm gonna take a lunch after that. My eyeballs are heavy. Praise the name of the Lord, you guys. So Danny is gonna get them loaded and I'm gonna go ahead and take lunch. Man, I was glad to hear that, because I'm gonna have to be back and forth loading them up anyway, between loading and bush hogging around peanut ends. So hey, it's about 2:20 right now, so yeah, it's definitely lunchtime. Well, that was a much needed lunch break today, you guys. I'm headed to the peanut field, but I will be on standby waiting for Carnell to get back, and we'll head to the shop and get them loaded again. Guess I'll try and knock out this little 5-acre field here. I promise you, I've only been in this field for 3 minutes. And, and Carnell just texted me and said he'll be back in about 10 minutes. So all I have time to do is make this end road pass and we're going to the truck. Wow, it is an oven in here, you guys. I'm gonna play it smart. I'm sitting in the truck this time. I promise you, not 3 minutes after I said I'm gonna sit in the truck, I noticed that the corn slowed down going into the truck. So I went to go check it, and I don't know what's going on. I called Danny, and so he's gonna go to the field. I'm gonna show him how to get to the field and let Dan load him at the field. And when Danny gets back, he can check it out. It's probably down low enough to where the sweep auger inside the bin is gonna have to be engaged. And Danny, being more savvy and dealing with the bins there, he'll have to do that. So we're going on to the field. So I just talked to Dan, and he said that he wants me to go ahead and unload what's on the grain cart down here on him, so that he can top them off once he gets a hopper full on the combine over there. Got Dan over there waiting with the cattle egret behind him. They wait for him to get back to picking and stirring up bugs. All right, you guys, so he's not gonna need the grain cart there, so we're gonna once again head back to the bush hog. Don't run from me, cattle egret. Let me stir you up some bugs. Come here. And so, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video on up for today. We've been to and fro and to, here and there, some of everywhere. But anyway, I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching. Ooh, that sun is blinging. I got a little warm on that walk down here. I can use a bottle of water for sure. But anyway, if you've enjoyed, don't forget to smash the like button for us, throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's on your mind. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Gator Creek.